Have you recently gone through the exhaustive process of a CRA or IRS audit only to be left wondering, now what? And how does Wealthsimple fit into all of this? If so, you're in the right place. An audit, whether from the Canada Revenue Agency or the Internal Revenue Service, can be a stressful, confusing, and often humbling experience. It forces you to confront the intricate world of tax law and, more often than not, reveals areas where your financial record-keeping or understanding of tax obligations might have fallen short. But here's the crucial point: an audit isn't the end of your financial journey. It's a critical learning opportunity, a chance to refine your approach, and a catalyst for building a more robust and compliant financial future. For many of us, Wealthsimple has become a cornerstone of our financial lives. Its user-friendly interface, diverse investment options, and integrated tax tools make it an incredibly appealing platform for managing everything from savings to investments, and even filing taxes. But after the dust settles on an audit, how do you leverage Wealthsimple to ensure you're not only compliant with the tax authorities but also optimizing your financial strategy for the long term? That's precisely what we're diving into today. We'll explore a comprehensive roadmap for navigating your financial life with Wealthsimple post-audit, focusing on key areas like updating your information, understanding tax slips, adjusting your investment strategies, and leveraging Wealthsimple's features for ongoing compliance. This isn't just about avoiding future audits, though that's certainly a major benefit. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial narrative, making informed decisions, and building a more secure financial foundation with Wealthsimple as your trusted partner. Let's begin by acknowledging the elephant in the room, the audit itself. Whether it was a routine check, an inquiry into specific transactions, or a deeper dive into your overall financial picture, the outcome likely involved adjustments to your reported income, deductions, or credits. The first and most critical step post-audit is to fully understand these adjustments. Obtain a copy of your Notice of Reassessment from the CRA or the audit report and any related correspondence from the IRS. This document is your new financial compass, outlining exactly what the tax authorities determined you owed or were due, and why. Don't just glance at the final number, meticulously review every line item that was changed. Were capital gains adjusted? Were certain expenses disallowed? Was there a discrepancy in reported income? Understanding the why behind the adjustments is paramount, as it directly informs how you'll move forward with Wealthsimple. Once you have a clear picture of the audit's outcome, the immediate practical step involves updating your tax information within Wealthsimple. If the audit resulted in changes to your income, deductions, or any other tax-relevant data for the audited year, and you used Wealthsimple Tax to file, you'll need to amend that return. Wealthsimple Tax offers a refile feature for the current tax year and up to 3 previous years for CRA filers. This allows you to go back into your Wealthsimple tax profile, make the necessary corrections based on your Notice of Reassessment, and then resubmit the amended return. For IRS filers, while Wealthsimple Tax is primarily Canada-focused, the principle remains the same: ensure your records reflect the audited figures. This might involve manually updating your records or re-entering information if you use other tax software. Even if you didn't use Wealthsimple Tax for the specific year that was audited, it's crucial to update your personal and financial information within your Wealthsimple investing profiles. This includes things like your current address, marital status, and any changes to your income bracket that might impact your future investment strategy or tax planning. Wealthsimple uses this information to generate accurate tax slips, T3, T5, T5008 for CRA, 1099 forms for IRS, and to inform its automated rebalancing and tax loss harvesting strategies. Inaccurate information could lead to further discrepancies down the line. Take a moment to log into your Wealthsimple account, navigate to your profile settings, and thoroughly review all your personal and financial details, making any necessary corrections. Now, let's talk about the wealth of tax documents Wealthsimple provides. Post-audit, these documents become even more critical. They are your primary source of verifiable information regarding your investment activity. Wealthsimple typically generates various tax slips annually, detailing your dividends, interest, capital gains and losses, and other investment income. After an audit, It's a good practice to download and carefully review all relevant tax documents for the audited year, and ideally, for the preceding and subsequent years as well. Compare these documents against the figures that were audited and adjusted by the CRA or IRS. Were there any discrepancies between what Wealthsimple reported and what the tax authorities found? Understanding these differences is key to preventing future audit triggers. For CRA filers, Wealthsimple provides T3, T5, T5008, and other relevant slips. For IRS filers, you'll receive 1099 DIV, 1099 INT, 1099B, and other applicable forms. You can typically access these documents directly within your Wealthsimple account by navigating to the Documents or Tax Documents section. It's highly recommended to download and keep digital copies of all these documents in an organized manner, perhaps in a dedicated tax folder on your computer or cloud storage. This robust record keeping is your best defense against future audits. Beyond updating your current tax information, an audit should prompt a reevaluation of your investment strategy, especially concerning tax efficiency. Wealthsimple offers several features that can be incredibly beneficial in this regard. One of the most powerful is tax loss harvesting. This strategy involves selling investments at a loss to offset capital gains and, in some cases, a limited amount of ordinary income. After an audit, where capital gains or losses might have been a point of contention, proactively utilizing tax loss harvesting can help mitigate future tax liabilities. Wealthsimple's managed investing portfolios often automate this process, but even with self-directed accounts, you can strategically implement it. Familiarize yourself with how Wealthsimple applies tax loss harvesting and ensure your investment goals align with this feature. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.